Yeah. We gon' give you something to ride to. We gon' call this one that gravel road. I'm just gonna take you down mine. Country town that we call McGee, I'ma make sure that you remember me. Gravel roads in cotton field. Young nigga with a gold grill. I start off with an average spoon that hit the pipe, I seen my doom. Mama tried, but I couldn't take it. In Shade Lane, we couldn't fake it. Stumped down, G's and Max, pistol grills with a ski mask. Broken hell, but still lab. I'm a stew dog in that gin and juice in the house party. Getting loose, our storage room, it was the booth. I blast her, I told the crew, staying sharp like hairdo. Coming through in that black and blue. My mind ain't got a roof. Chasing that cheddar too. Rest in love, I got a list. Man, it hurts to reminisce. In the pen, I picture this. Axe boo, hit poo, late nights, Roman suits. Now you hear me on 92. Mama died, but I still flew. Somehow I guess the Lord knew that I wasn't no hell fool. Out here in these streets too. My flow got a Hemi in it. Old school, I stay in it. 22s, they stay spinning.